Good morning, Year 4. Welcome to Friday's English lesson. We are going to get straight into writing today because I gave you quite a lot to do yesterday. Don't worry if you didn't get it all done because you're going to carry on today anyway. Okay, Year 4, just as yesterday, I want you to watch the water cycle clip again just to refresh your memory. The link is here, but as of yesterday, I have put the link on the Friday daily plan, so you should be able to copy and paste that from the Word document into your internet browser. Have a watch. Okay, hopefully that has rejogged your memory and you can always go back to that at any time during today's session. Okay, so we're going to start with precipitation, or rather I'm going to start with precipitation. However, if you didn't finish your condensation paragraph or you didn't finish your evaporation paragraph, then go back and start there. Maybe pause this video, go back and write those, and then come back to this. I'm going to model the silver challenge. In fact, I'm going to model the silver and the gold, really. This is kind of what I want to see. So, precipitation. Up here in my model, I've got when. I've got a fronted adverbial. When too much water has condensed. Okay? So, I might start with that. I might start with something else. I might start with because. Because too much water condenses, checking my spelling, condenses, the water droplets form clouds. Are the water droplets that have formed clouds become too heavy? As a result, so there's my causal conjunction, it falls, I'm going to go falls down to earth as sleet, rain, snow or hail. Did you know that this is called precipitation? And that's a rhetorical question, so it needs a question mark. Now, if you want to take it a step back, you might just be writing a simple sentence to explain that clouds that become too heavy, or when it rains, it is because clouds have become too heavy. This is precipitation. So you can really be a lot simpler. I might then go after a while as my fronted adverbial. Oh, hold on, I need to put my heading in there, don't I? So, collection. My heading here. Precipitation. That's a tricky one to spell that. So, collection after a while. The collection stage begins. Okay. When water has fallen through the process of precipitation, because that's a complex sentence, also a fronted adverbial. When water has fallen through the process of precipitation, it collects in rivers, underground, and in the oceans. Okay. Now the water cycle can start again. Now the water cycle can start again. Okay. So there are the two paragraphs that I want you to write today. When you've written precipitation and collection, the final thing we had on our waggle was a fun facts box. Now, this is a list of bullet-pointed facts, and you might be able to collect some from the video we just watched, or you might be able to collect some from the waggle, or something that you already know. One that I know that I quite liked that isn't in the waggle was the sublimation. Now I'm going to go back and check that. So at any point you can check the video, you can skim across. It was this one here with the snowman. So I'm just going to rewatch this section.
It turns into water vapor without melting into water. That's called sublimation.
Brilliant, I was right, but it's always good to check. So I'm going to put a bullet point in here. Okay. So, did you know that water, that snow can directly condense into clouds without the process of evaporation. This is called sublimation. Okay, and then write me a couple of facts in your fun facts box. So rewind this video to the paragraph that you're doing, have another look, write your paragraph, and hopefully by the end of today you will have not only learned about the process of the water cycle, you would have used technical vocabulary, you would have used affected the reader by using technical language and informing them and explaining what it is. You would have used causal conjunctions and fronted adverbials. So I know your teachers can't wait to see the finished writing, and we look forward to seeing it at the end of the day. Good luck. We'll see you soon, Year 4.